Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Today's essay writing topic is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor CPEC. Remember students, I am going to give you outline and little information about your topic, that how to proceed on with your essay. But this information or this outline is not sufficient for the writing, but you have to produce your own piece of writing by the help of all the information that I am going to give you. So first of all, the introduction of the essay is that China and Pakistan are very good friends since 1955. China is the most populated country of the world, so it's very closer relation with the Pakistan since 1955, when their leaders met first time in Indonesia. And since then, China and Pakistan have become good friends, and China and Pakistan is also sharing 600 kilometer of border line. Okay, they both have a deep-rooted relationships because the China lent a helping hand during the wars of 1965 and 1971 and supported Pakistan fully and promptly in all the areas and strategic areas in the provision of weaponry and economic help and etc. So that is why the China and Pakistan have become deep-rooted friends, and this companionship grew more stronger when they have built the Karakoram Highway, the Silk Route, and this Silk Route or this Karakoram Highway linked many areas of China and Pakistan, and it helped a lot in trade. Okay, CPEC is a solution of economic problem then. Now they have established their relations since 1955, but these relations will become more strengthened in future due to this CPEC project. And this will link many South Asian, the CPEC will link many South Asian countries under one road. So this will result a very stable economy of Pakistan and China as well. CPEC is an abbreviation of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. What is the infrastructure of this? It is a highway which links the newly created Gwadar port of Pakistan and the Kashgar, a historical city of China. So its estimated length is about 2,318 kilometer. So Gwadar port is used to import and export Chinese and Pakistani goods. There are some goals behind this CPEC project, and these goals are very significant. The significant objective of this CPEC is to establish the modern airports and railway lines in Pakistan. So the main goal behind this is to expand the trade relations of Pakistan and China to the other countries to stabilize the economy of China and Pakistan. How are the opportunities for China for building this CPEC project? By spending so much economy on it, that CPEC will prove a good deal for China, and China has been investing $46.5 billion to establish this newly energy resources in Pakistan and to run the linkages between Kashgar to Gwadar smoothly, and this will become the highly beneficial route for developing Chinese trade in other countries of the world through this Gwadar port. This will become advantages for Pakistan as well, because Pakistan has provided its land for this project. So the CPEC will become the game changer for the Pakistan as well. It will benefit to the undeveloped areas from where it passes, and beside this trade, it will provide a livelihood to the people of Pakistan, and there are many strategic advantages in building of this project. And this CPEC project will build a better trade relationship of Pakistan and China, and Pakistan and China, and the relations with other countries of the world, because it is providing a very clear route towards the other markets of the world through this Gwadar port. Both Pakistan and China are working with the great enthusiasm to build this pathway towards the progress, but Pakistan should keep eye on its own interests as well, because because Pakistan has provided its land, its area for this project. So there are many factors playing a havoc against CPEC project, but the Pakistan should keep an eye on the measures to make it more advantageous for Pakistan as well, and then it should provide the equal chances to the industries of Pakistan to take advantage from CPEC, and this is not for the industrial development of the China but Pakistan as well. How do we conclude this essay? It is also stated in many reports that this project will be completed after 2025. That like a full implementation of project can be expected in 2025. This was the deadline, but some of the roads area are open for the transportation between the cities of Pakistan, so it has become very much beneficial for traveling purpose, because it has shortened the way and save the time of the people of Pakistan and fatigue of them. So this has become highly beneficial in terms of traveling, just because it just has open for testing but not fully implemented with all its projects. So this project is essential for the economic revival as well, so it should be completed in time by 2025, so we can see all the advantages that has planned behind this, and we are expected to get much more benefit with